Hello, my name is Dr. James Willoughby. If you or someone you know is clenching and grinding their teeth, they could be a bruxer. Bruxing causes significant damage to your teeth. The good news is there's something that we can do. You can come into our office and be fitted for an occlusal night guard, which will protect your teeth against the damages that grinding can do. So call our Poughkeepsie office at 471-4383. We look forward to seeing you soon.